Hello, this is question 9 on your mix exercise 1 from year 13. You have to write this algebraic fraction in partial fractions. Yeah, so we have to find P, Q, and R. Is just a bit long question. So let's going to add the fractions on the right, and we can compare coefficients or use substitution. So x minus 5. This is going to be equal to, this is the common denominator. When I divide by x minus 2, I have the other two factors, and those are multiplying p. So I have p, x plus 1, x minus 5. Then when I divide by x plus 1, I have the other two factors multiplying the q. So q multiplying x minus 2, x minus 5. And then I have r multiplying the other two, so plus r multiplying x minus 2, x plus 1, yeah? And then the common denominator. As the denominators are equal to each other, we have to make the numerators equal to each other, yeah? So this expression here must be equal to this one for the fractions to be equivalent, yeah? We can expand the brackets and compare coefficients, but it's going to take longer. So what I'm going to do is to use substitution. I'm going to make x, and I'm going to find the values of x and make these brackets equal to 0 to cancel some brackets. So x equals minus 1 is making 0 this bracket and this bracket. So I will have only q in my expression. So when I substitute x by minus 1, the left side is going to be minus 15 times minus 1 is positive 15, plus 21 is 36. So the left hand side is 36. The right side is going to be this one 0, yeah? And then I have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. I'm going to write it because I will forget, times minus 1, minus 5, minus 6, so times minus 6, and times by q. So minus 6 times minus 3 is positive 18, q. And then this bracket is 0 because of this one. So that means q is 36 over 18, or 2. Yeah, so I found q. Then if I substitute by x by 5, I get this bracket 0 and this bracket 0, so I will have only r in my equation. So x is going to be equal to 5. Left hand side is going to be 5 times 15, which is minus 75, plus 21 is going to be minus 54. So minus 54 on the left side. This bracket is 0, this bracket is 0, and then I have this one. So when x is 5, I have 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. And then 5 plus 1, 6. So 6 times 3, which is 18. R, yeah? We don't need this. That means that R is going to be minus 54 divided by 18, which is minus 3. So that's the value of r. And then the last value I'm going to substitute is the one that makes this bracket 0, yeah, which is 2. X equal to 2. The left side, I have minus 30, so minus 15 times 2, which is minus 30 plus 21, which is minus 9, is equal to, this bracket is going to be 2 plus 1, 3. 3 times 2 minus 5 is minus 3, so minus 9 times p. And the other two brackets are going to be 0. So this one is 0, this one is 0. So p is going to be 1. And we have all the constants. So find the values of the constants, yeah. So p, q, and r are these values. And if you want, you can write the expression. And the expression would be p, which is 1 over x minus 2, no, the first one, x minus 2, plus q, which is 2, divided by x plus 1. And the last one is negative, so minus 3 divided by x minus 5. That could be the expression in case you need to write it. or in case you need to work with it. Yeah, but that's all with this question.